Are you thinking about getting a Viair compressor? Well, this is our Viair 400P-RV. That's what I'm fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Cole, and this is Younger Every Day. So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west. Now I'm going to school, and we're loving this crazy life. On this channel, we share tips and tricks for RV living, take you on amazing adventures, and do product reviews, just like this one. So if you're new here, click subscribe and join the Younger gang, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss out on any of the fun. If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to check them out. Today I'm going to be showing you our Viair 400P-RV air compressor. And let me just tell you, it is great. Be sure to stick around to the end and I'll give you the pros and cons of using it. So let's go take a look. This is our Viair 400P-RV compressor. Before I show you how we use it, which I am gonna do, I just wanna show you what comes with this kit. First off, we've got the compressor itself. Really the only assembly required here is to add on this little air filter. It does come with some spares, so you can check that and change them out as needed. It is seated on a nice shock absorbing pad, so it won't walk around when you're using it. Also, it has battery connections, which is great for powering it. You don't have to worry about trying to plug in to a 12-volt outlet. You just plug this in under the hood of your vehicle, or you can even go to your battery if you've got an RV with batteries, which probably most of us do. In addition to the compressor itself, you also get a 45-degree extended reach angled dual chuck, which is great for airing up tires if you have dual tires either on your motorhome or on your tow vehicle. It's excellent. Also with quick connect. You also get a 90-degree twist-on chuck, good for bike tires, and you can use it on auto tires as well. Also, you get a tire inflation gun with a built-in gauge. Very useful. Also, it comes with two 30-foot hoses with quick connects. So for our 60-plus foot long rig, if I've got to hop out along the roadway and pull my Viair out and use it, I've got plenty of length of air hose to go from the front of my truck all the way to the back tires on the rig. Lastly, it comes with a satchel that has a compartment to store everything. In fact, I left one of the hoses in here just so you could see where it goes. There's a place for storing that on the front, place for storing it on the back, and then plenty of room inside. Now that I've shown you what came with the compressor, let me show you how we use it. We use our Viair compressor for airing up bicycle tires all the time. Also, we can use it to check and adjust the air pressure on our fifth wheels tires. We also use it to check and adjust tire pressure on our Suburban. And we use it to check and adjust tire pressure on our dually, which is our tow vehicle. Those are some of the ways that we use our Viair 400P-RV compressor. You can also use it to air up inflatables for the pool or to air up an air mattress or anything else like that. It actually does come with the accessories to put in. It even has a basketball needle so you could air that up with it as well, which is cool. And you know, I love how versatile it is. It is so lightweight and easy to just grab and go. And it is better than any other 12-volt compressor I've ever used in the past. And so I really like that about it. As promised, I want to give you the pros and the cons now that we've been using it for a while. The first pro that I'll mention is it's lightweight, and for those of us who RV, we know how much weight matters. Another pro that I'll mention is it's compact. When you're RVing, space is a commodity, and so that's a big key for this. As mentioned before, the fact that you have 60 feet of hose is another pro. Unlike previous 12-volt compressors that I've owned in the past, you don't have to seek out a DC plug in your vehicle and leave a door open or close it on the cable, because you just go straight to the battery, and I like that a lot. Another thing I really like about it is that it comes with a tire inflation gun, making it really simple to use and to check your inflation. Pro tip, don't try to read your inflation while airing up your tires. You gotta stop the flow of air so you can get a good reading. Another pro is it comes with all the accessories you'll need, whether you're inflating the dual tires on your pickup, dual tires on your motorhome, trailer tires, basketballs, bicycle tires, whatever, it's got you covered. Another pro I'll mention is this great accessory bag. It comes with, pockets to organize everything that comes with the compressor itself, so you know where all your accessories are, you can get to them quickly. One con of this compressor is it's a duty compressor, meaning it doesn't have a big pressure vessel, so you don't have some unlimited supply of high pressure air to air up everything really quickly. But it really doesn't take that long, and you don't have to air up your tires that often for it to really make a difference, at least not to me. Another con is this compressor is pricey, but for me, it gives me peace of mind to know that I have something reliable with all the accessories I need, easily accessible and ready to go. Other compressors I've owned probably cost $50 or $60 and just plugged into the cigarette lighter in your car. This is a whole different ballgame. Those are the things I see as pros and cons of this compressor. Taking those into consideration, I would definitely recommend this for RVers, and I'm really glad I got ours before we took off on our adventure. I'll put the links for this in the description below so you can check it out if you're interested. Now I'd like to know, have you tried one of the Viair compressors? If so, what do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that it helps you out. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and let us know. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down and tell me why. If you haven't already clicked subscribe to join the younger gang, do that so you can be a part of our community. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos right over here. So, buying a fairly expensive compressor based on a couple reviews I read before we took off on our adventure, but then finding out that it is great so I can recommend it to you, that's just another way that we're living younger every day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.